everyone, this is Jewelry and we are here for an exclusive interview with Galen, the founder and developer of Pigletz, or as he would like to call himself, the visionary of Pigletz NFT, and we are here to ask him a few questions about it, so we will just start.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Yeah, you want to tell them about you?
Well, we know each other with most of the community already. However, with everyone new in the project, I'm Galin Dinkov. I'm founder of the creator of the Piglet, the project, and I have a background, a long background, 20 years in the IT. I did gaming stuff. I did blockchain stuff. And I decided 1 year ago to combine both things to create this unique project. Some know, some will new now after this interview, and yeah, I'm ready to start with with the questions from the community and
Okay.
and
That
all
sounds
the guys.
amazing. Okay, so first things first, why did you decide on a crypto project, and why not like an real life project? Why crypto?
Well, I believe crypto is actually a real life project, real life field, and I'm in the crypto since 2016.
Oh, it's very long.
Yeah, well, for crypto it's long, and I believe that the blockchain technologies, crypto, everything that now happens will extend the real life with and will create a bridge between the real life and the digital world, the virtual world. All the opportunities that the blockchain technologies gives us, especially as someone who was in the IT for a really long time, I have seen many transformations. So this one is like really interesting.
Okay, so second, NFT has like a bad rep in mainstream media. Like when you think of NFT, people usually make fun of it. So what made you want to do an NFT project?
It has a bad reputation, the NFT, because all the the copycats and all the scams and all the projects that they don't have anything in them besides to make money. And my idea with the Piglets wasn't that. I want to create something living, a real item, not only digital item, but a digital item that can live and can reach the real world. The NFT is an instrument, so it's a tool. It's nothing special. Most of the people that are technical people, they know that the NFT doesn't represent precisely the art or something that you buy. It's just a record for that. But the entire idea of the NFT is again something that will bring us to the next level of digitalization.
Because you have those cute piglets, right? It's so sad that we don't have it.
Yeah, unfortunately, we didn't receive it here in Berlin on time, but we have it, and this is only the first. We will produce many more, and soon actually people from our community we already have people who reached level 3,
and then they will receive.
And if they order the 3D print, they can have it.
That's amazing. If you could invest in any other NFT or crypto project that is not yours, which would it be?
I'm really more a creator than investor. So I don't do this for for the reward, for the money. I do this because I like it. I can do it, and I believe I can do something that is innovative. So I mostly invest into my projects, and this one is the biggest investment also I have done. I'm not so familiar with everything else. I don't like these hyped projects like monkeys or punks or whatever because they're just images and everything is for speculation. So it's not my thing.
So I know you have a structured roadmap on your website, but can you paint us a picture of where you see Piglets will be in the next few years?
Well, I imagine the Piglets to be a brand, something like Hello Kitty, for example.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, because they are cute.
They are.
Piglets are really cute, and there are so many utilities for that. But the idea is, I can imagine some people having on their shelves, a collection of Piglets with some tokens inside of it, and they know that in a few years this collection will have either art value as a collection, but also the tokens inside of it they can raise in the price, and also the production of the internal token PiFi can go up. So yeah, it's really, I will be really impressed if I go to a friend and I see his collection of on his shelf. And of course, we have plans to make a game. This is part of our roadmap. This is very interesting because I told you I have 15 years experience in gaming. We have great ideas to create a game with augmented reality, with elements similar to Pokemon Go, where you look your environment and you search for piglets. So you can find a real piglet, and it can be something really valuable. But we also have planned interactions between the players. So this is our plan, to move everything into the gaming, into the real world.
So you talk about PiFi, and each piglet starts mining PiFi tokens from the day you buy it. So can you tell us more about PiFi tokens and what utility it has?
Yeah, so I wanted to create something more than just an image, just an NFT, something with life. So the PiFi token is something that is driving the entire project. The idea is that it has utility. It's an entirely utility token, and it is used in order to level up your piglet. So because when the piglet is minted, it starts from level 1. You can see the head, the color, the eyes, mouth, nothing more. So in order to see more threads, you need to wait, and while you're waiting, it produces this PiFi token. So it's like experience points, and when it reach some amount of the PiFi token, it goes to level 2, level 3, and if you want to have this beautiful 3D piglet, the one that we couldn't show, in order to order this, you need PiFi token. So there will be a strong demand on the PiFi token, we believe, and the idea of the entire project is that all the piglets, all the owners, they are like miners, so they are mining this token every day. We start decentralized economy for day 1. Everyone produces some amount, which depends on the level of the piglet, the boosters activated. This is core of the idea, the PiFi token.
We have a question here it says the liquidity pool was initially planned for the beginning of Q2, so when should we expect it?
I expect this to happen within 1 month. So we will create the pool and on PancakeSwap in the beginning, because at the moment we're on BNB chain, and from then on all the piglets will have some value that's not non-zero value. We will probably release also the token on other exchanges as well, but the goal now is to create the pool.
Okay, so you are developing a game which utilizes PiFi. Could you please provide more insight into the game?
I already mentioned a few things about the game. That will be, it will be with augmented reality. It will be more or less similar to Pokemon Go. So the idea is you walk around your environment, and there is a chance to find a piglet, to find a box, a mystery box with random piglet inside of it, we have planned to release a new box of piglet every 7 hours, somewhere around the world, depending where we have bigger communities. Yeah.
Okay.
So of course it is not just to find it. You need to solve different puzzles. You need to interact with other players. But more details we're working on more details, and probably we'll release a trailer soon.
Okay, that sounds fun. So how can the community help the growth of Piglet's NFT?
Well, actually, we rely on the community a lot. We want the community to be part of the project, the development. We ask them with different questions, with different ideas, and we are open to hear any of them. We have at the moment small community, but it's a real community, and we appreciate their help very much. Nowadays, many projects they are using not ordinary techniques to grow the community artificially, just to pump their project. This is not our case. We need real community, because we want people to actually be in the game. We need real people, not bots.
So what are the plans to create hype or momentum, or what is the marketing like for the project? What main tools are relevant for that process? Can you talk to us about what marketing is like for Piglet?
Well, we as a project definitely are more strong in the realization than the marketing, compared to other projects which are the opposite. And that means we have the product, we have everything released actually, unlike many other projects that have any ideas. And this is something we build now. We built our team, we hire more people about the marketing, we try different channels, and I believe in 1 month we will start huge campaigns, and everyone will heard about Piglets.
Okay, so here's another question about the mobile app. So it says that an iOS mobile app was expected in Q1. So what is the current status of the app? I mean, you talked about it earlier. What functions would the upcoming app have? And will it be available for iPhone, or should we expect the Android version of it?
We have almost finished the iOS version of the app. We are now preparing this for launch in the App Store, in the Apple's App Store. This will start. Android version will follow. We couldn't, manage to release this on Apple Store for Q1, but it will be done in the next weeks. And the features will be similar to the website, but there is one additional feature that you'll be able to see how the real Piglet will look like on the desk, for example, with augmented reality again.
Okay, so Galen's going to show us a little sneak peek about the app, and
yeah, this is you can see here with augmented reality we project the 3D version of the Piglet on the desk here in the central Berlin. And the idea is that everyone can see his entire collection, how it will look like before to order the 3D version. So yeah, this is one of the unique features. Everything else can be done from the website as well. But the game will be, imagine, to be able to find a cute Piglet like that in somewhere in your city. So yeah, of course, in order to do that, you need to solve different puzzles, but when you find it, there will be some value inside of it.
You can use PiFi tokens to purchase a 3D version of your NFT. So will the 3D Piglet be shipped worldwide, or will it just be like in certain places?
We plan to ship worldwide.
Okay, so what happens when you break the 3D Piglet?
Well, the idea to order a real Piglet is not just to have this figure.
A decoration?
Yeah, it's not just a decoration. It's actually we created a bridge between the MetaVerse and the real world. And the idea is that you take your NFT. It is, of course, very easy. So in the DApp, you just click a button. But actually, the NFT goes to a specific smart contract and is locked there. So it cannot be transferred, it cannot be sold, it cannot be broken. When we ship you the figure, inside of it, we put several codes. One part of the codes come from you as the owner, the other part comes from us. So in this way, we're not able to unlock your NFT, and you're not able to unlock your NFT. Together, these codes are inside the Piglet. So in order to unlock the NFT and to use it somehow, you need to break, with a hammer. Yeah, unfortunately, this is the end of the life of the Piglet, but only the figure actually. So because when you break it, you take the codes, you unlock the NFT part, and if you like, you can order again, but only when it is unlocked. And when you break the NFT, it's lost forever. But we take all the money from it. So yeah, this is the dilemma.
Okay, so the blockchain-powered fitness app BeFaster.fit has deposited millions worth of cryptocurrency into one of the Piglets. So are there any other partnerships planned for the near future?
We made this partnership with BeFaster.fit, which is an incredible startup, and we're really like what they did. They actually locked their team their team tokens into a Piglet, and they promised their community that they will break the Piglet once they release their app, the promised app. And we believe this is one of the interesting features of the Piglet actually, because the Piglet itself, it has its own wallet, and everyone can send money to it. So it can be used for fundraising, it can be used for donations, it can be used for many things. We have also additional plans in the future to add some time logs and other features for the Piglet. So we don't have any specific partnership at the moment, but we believe we will make
a lot. Yeah. So what are the celebrity Piglets, and how are they minted, and how do they go to charity?
Well, this is one of the well-kept secrets in our project.
So you can't tell us.
I can tell a little bit that we have Additionally to 12,345 piglets, we have 5 special piglets, unique piglets, which are level 3 from the beginning. They are celebrities piglets, and the idea is to give that, to donate that piglet for charity. So we will let this up to the celebrity itself. So they will decide the charity.
They decide.
Yeah. The reason we haven't released and haven't made any publicity about these celebrity piglets is that we want to gather first more interest on the project and then to make to announce that, because we want really to collect money for charity, and this is not part of our marketing strategy at the moment, just to use the celebrities for
That
being
sounds
popular.
amazing. And thank you so much for having some time for us. And that is all the questions that we have for today. If you guys have any other questions, or just tell us what you want to see on the next video, just put it on the comments. And again, thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.
Thanks everyone. As usual.